Alrighty guys, it's summertime once again, and you know what that means. Every summer you're going to have bugs come out, especially here in the south. You're going to get dead bugs all over your grill, all over your bumper, and we all know they're a pain to get off. I mean, look, we got them all through here, everywhere. And this is just by going to a 20-minute drive to town and back. That's all that was. And look at the bugs we've got here. So what we picked up today, people, is we picked up the Meguiar's bug and tar remover. Now this is supposed to work in 5 minutes. You just shake it up, spray it right on there, and it's supposed to safely remove all these bugs from your car. We have our microfiber cloth here to take care of the cleaning. I always want to use one of those. This will not damage your clear coat. So we're going to just shake this up. We're going to time it 5 minutes. We're going to come back. We're going to see how well it works. So let's spray it on here. Alrighty people, we've got it sprayed. So we're going to come back in 5 minutes. We're going to start the timer and we'll be back when it hits 5. Alrighty guys, it's been 5 minutes. We'll stop it and let's get right to it, see how well this works. Alrighty guys, now it works to a certain extent. We're having trouble coming off the headlight there. You see that? Didn't come off all the way, and right here didn't come off all the way, but it did come off on the bumper. We had one little spot right there that was a little bit hard to get off, but it works good on the bumper, and it's not working as good as I thought it would on plastic. But that's fiberglass the bumper is, so it comes off of that easy, but like the headlight and stuff, it's not coming off that easy. So overall, I've used the turtle wax bug and tar remover, and it worked actually better. So this is somewhat of a disappointment, I'll say that. I thought it would work better. I had confidence in it because it was Meguiar's. It still works better than, you know, using water or something like that, or soap and water or something like that. But I'm going to say not as good as I expected. I'll give it 3 stars. It's kind of disappointing. I thought it might just bring it all off. We had some trouble areas here, but it still looks a lot better than it did before. So right here, people, you'll see it didn't bring it off all the way here. Right here. Right there. But through here it looks good, it looks solid. Not as good through here. But the bumper almost got all of it. You can still see some right through here. But there you have it down here. It got it all off pretty much. And it worked, but not as good as I expected. But there you see it, people. We got over here, it left some right through there. So it still did a decent job, but I expected more from it because it is Meguiar's, the best in the business when it comes to tire shine. So there you have it, people. As always, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Give the video a thumbs up. Have a great day.